Hello students, welcome to my channel Brothers Academy. Today we will talk about second chapter of computer book Hardware and Software chapter 2 part 1. In today's video we will discuss the questions raised in the previous session followed by the introduction of chapter 2. We will discuss in detail some of the input devices used for the commercial purpose like barcode reader, magnetic ink character reader, optical character reader, optical mark reader, and card reader. We will end the session with a short quiz. So, let's begin. So, the questions which we raised in the last session, the first one was give three characteristics of modern computer. And the answer is the three characteristics of modern computers are speed, storage, and accuracy. The second one, give two limitations of computers. And the answer is the two limitations of computers are lack of decision making and lack of emotions. The next one, what is an expert system? And the answer is computers that involve artificial intelligence are known as expert system. The last one, do you think computer is a diligence device? Give reasons. And the answer is yes, computer is a diligence device because it performs all the operations with the same accuracy. Now, let's discuss chapter 2. Students, as you know, computers are essential in the digital world and we cannot think of world without computers. They are used in each and every field and every sector like supermarket, banks, etc. A computer system consists of two main components, hardware and software. The physical components of the computer which we can see and touch, they are called hardware. For example, keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, etc. You have already read some of the common hardware devices in your previous class. In today's video, we will discuss some of the input and output devices which are used for the commercial purpose. Input devices. What are input devices? Input devices are those which accept input from the user and convert it into the form that computer can understand. Basically, it's a piece of hardware that allows user to provide data, information, or some instructions to the computer. Data is entered into the raw format, which is converted into a language which computer can understand. And what are output devices? Output devices which pass information from computer to the user. Students, places such as supermarket and banks need special input devices to collect large amount of data rapidly like barcode reader, magnetic ink character reader, etc. We will discuss in detail about these devices. So let us discuss about the barcode reader. What is a barcode? You may have seen, barcode on the product such as grocery item and clothes. What is a barcode? A barcode is a unique combination of vertical lines of different widths and sizes that when read help identify the scanned object. So this is the picture of a sample barcode. Scanned object basically represent the product information such as price and place of manufacture, etc. Barcode reader or a price scanner is an electronic device used to capture and read information contained in the barcode. So this is the picture of barcode reader. Cashier basically uses the barcode reader to scan the barcode which is there on the product, which is entered as an input to the computer, and then computer uses this barcode to identify the product. So the points which you need to remember regarding the barcode reader are: it's a unique combination of vertical lines of different width and sizes that when read help identify the scanned object. Barcode reader or a price scanner is an electronic device used to capture and read information contained in the barcode. And the cashier uses the barcode reader to scan the barcode on each purchased item, which is entered as an input to the computer. And then computer uses this information to identify the product. Now, time for some of the important facts. Barcode is a company dedicated to barcodes and has a wide variety of barcode products such as barcode readers, the one which we discussed, also the barcode printers and much more. So this is all about barcode reader. Hope you have understood. Now let us discuss about the magnetic ink character reader. Magnetic ink is a special ink that contains magnetic particle of iron oxide. Magnetic ink character reader scans those characters printed in the magnetic ink, and this is called magnetic ink character recognition. And it is mainly used by the banking industry to streamline the processing and clearance of checks. This is because the magnetic characters are difficult to forge, making them ideal for identifying the checks. Checks usually have the check number and the MICR code. Magnetic ink character reader scans this information and checks are sorted city-wise or branch-wise. And the processing of MICR information is very fast. It provides greater security as printed characters cannot be altered. So the points which you need to remember regarding magnetic ink character reader are: they scans the characters printed in the magnetic ink, and this is known as magnetic ink character recognition, and it is mainly used by the banking industry. Now, time for some of the important facts. QR code or quick response code, it's a new style of barcode in a square shape that can store large amount of data. Many smartphones have built-in QR readers these days which are able to scan the QR codes. So now let us take a look at optical character reader and optical mark reader. Optical character reader and optical mark reader, they both are optical recognition system where a light beam is passed which scans the input data and convert it into a digital signal. So let us discuss first about the optical character reader. Optical character recognition technology enables you to convert various scanned documents like PDF files, images captured by digital camera, or any other scanned software into editable and searchable data. Imagine you got a scanned document from your friend or someone and you give that as an input to the OCR and it converts it into a text document which is editable, or if you want to search any specific text into that data, you will be able to search that. So this is how OCR works. Examples are Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and OmniPage Ultimate. Now let us discuss about the optical mark reader. It's a device designed of reading printed form with boxes or circles that can be filled with dark pencil or ink. It's commonly used for checking the answer sheets of objective type examination. Basically, when the light beam is passed through such sheets, it identifies the circles which are filled. This way, optical mark reader recognizes the circles which are filled from the ones which are not filled. And this technology is known as optical mark recognition. Now, let us discuss about the card readers. Card readers are used for reading the information from the card, and they are of two types, magnetic strip cards and smart cards. This is the example of the magnetic strip card. Magnetic card reader is a device that retrieves the information when it is swiped through it. Like this, when you swipe the card, you retrieve the information from the card. When a card is swiped through a magnetic card reader, the information is read very quickly and accurately. But exposure to magnetic fields, physical damage, and contact with a certain liquid can destroy the information on the card. So you have to handle it very carefully. Now, smart card contains a small chip instead of magnetic strip. And a smart card reader is a hardware device needed to write to and read the information on the card. Most of the credit and debit card issued by the banks nowadays contain both the magnetic strip as well as the smart chip. Petrol company uses smart cards to keep track of customer shopping history. Smart cards store more data than the magnetic cards. Now, time for some of the important facts. Chip-enabled card provides much better protection than the traditional magnetic strip cards. So this is all about the magnetic strip cards and the smart cards. So the points which you need to remember regarding the magnetic card reader are that information is retrieved when it is swiped through it, and smart card contains a small chip instead of the magnetic strip. Smart card stores more information than the magnetic cards. Now, time for a short quiz. First question which I have for you is, what is a barcode? Next one, which input device is used in banks to read checks? Third one, which one stores more data, smart card or magnetic card? And then I have, what does MICR stands for you? The last one is, give two examples of optical recognition system. Students, if you know the answers of these questions, please write in the comment section. The answer of these questions we will discuss in our next video. Thank you students for your time. The remaining videos of chapter 2, I will be uploading it in few days. Till then, go through this video. Bye bye and take care.